right, we're just about to kick off Rain City Raptors in the orange pennies and Silicon Valley Vipers. Unfortunately, both teams are lime green and conflict too much to not use pennies.
What's the forecast? Let's go!
Nope. All right, Martin, we're just about to begin. Thanks for joining us. Ooh, I saw my lacrosse. Hi, Maddie. The game just started and Rain City just scored, so it is 10-0. Rain City leads the Vipers. Albert Swing jumps over that beat. Looking. Rain City with some solid defense. He passes it off to Steven Cuevas, I think. All right, and that's a goal. We're 10-all. All right, it is now 20-10. Rain City leads. These teams do have a bit of a history. While they didn't play last year, the years previous, all their games have been in range and or overtime, and it's currently a 3-1 victory range, whatever. The Vipers have won 3, the Rain City has won once. So Rain City may be looking for a little redemption. All right, Kyle driving, scores. It is 30-10.
145 minutes, right? Players on pitch, hold up the numbers. You're coming off soon. So you ready? Recover series side. There you go. Good pressure. That's coming open, Jake. That's coming open.
Another Rain City goal. It is 40-10.
One more.
Bad defense, okay? Bad defense.
Nice stop by Rain City.
Let's go, Burton!
Mattel, let's go!
Step up!
All right, another Raptor goal. We're at 50-10.
Alright, someone back to Paul. Down.
Hi, Mary. The score, for those of you just tuning in, is 5-1. Rain City is leading the Vipers. Mary, the answer is to root for a good, clean game. That's what I've been doing all day. Also to root for fast games so that we stay mostly on time. Hello.
Hey, Drew, you gotta open left. Points down, points down. There we go, there we go. Colin, watch right.
Yes, I am so happy we have a field of lights, because otherwise this would have been a far more truncated tournament than it already is. How many games are left? We are in game 7 of 9. So this is the last game for both the Vipers and for Rain City. After this game, can I see the schedule real quick, please? Yes. So after this is Dobbys from NorCal versus Wyverns from the Northwest, and the last game will be Cascadia versus Breakers.
We still got it, run back,
Sam Fishgun swooping. Oh, that's not Sam. It just looks like him, but he's not in a penny. Anyway, nice pass in the back to Kyle Drabely. He's driving, and he gets it through the middle hoop. It is 60-10. 60-10 is the score. What's the time, Gene? 5:53, so just about 6 minutes. Sorry, Maddie.
Oh, but Peter's left. Hey, Drew, you got Peter. Drew, hi.
I think he thought he was beat, maybe.
I think it was just a surprise. Like, I love the pressure.
That's right. Communicator. Here's some words out there.
No, Lorena is not playing for another 2 games. I'm not Lorena. I'm Liz Barcelos.
They have a good
70-10. No, she's always been on Vipers. Angie? Yeah. She started on Vipers, yeah.
Warning ball to orange.
Nice beat from Sam Fishgun. He still got it.
I'm sitting in.
All right, Vipers put another one on the board. It is 70-20. Rain City leads.
Tony, remember break. These subs are great, guys, because towards the end of the game, they're going to get tired. They really are.
Ooh, nice beat. He's going. Building up some speed, and he's gone. It is 70-30. Vipers chipping away at that Rain City lead. Hi, Mitch! Rain City score, I just said it, but you just came in. Rain City is winning 70-30. The game time is?
9:32.
9:32. All right, Rain City is now leading 80-30.
Call it. Do you still want it? What? Do you still want it? I think so, yeah.
Forrest is fishing for that game.
He's supposed to be replaced. Oi, Shirley! For it! Oh, who's replacing Forrest in this game?
Okay.
Hugo! Okay, cool. What time is it?
It's 10:08.
Okay, good.
We didn't
Hugo!
know. We just wanted
Call it. Do we want
We're
it?
at like 10 minutes, FYI.
Let's wait.
Everything is called goal.
Okay.
It depends on how. On who?
Oh, right.
Ray!
Hey, on who?
Ian!
Ian, okay. I have 8 to win.
What's the call? Dislodging of the hoop by Ian Howard, Rain City. Yes, Ray is indeed killing it, as Ray always does. Oh, he went back. I'm surprised. You're welcome, Maddie. I try.
That sounds like a bad idea.
No, it's horrible.
There you go, Michael.
You're in. All right, the score is now 80-40. Rain City still leads. Yeah. Freddie is currently not playing, but I will announce him when he goes in.
What's time real quick?
10:50.
What?
10:50.
Okay, cool. Next go.
That's yours. Give it to her. Huh?
Rain City scored.
Yeah, it is 90-40. Rain City still leads. Lorena is on the breakers. They're light blue, so the same color as that referee. Lorena will be playing not the game after this, but the last one.
90-40.
Patel looking for an opening. Dipping, ducking, dodging. Ooh, denied. They are not in the way of play. Okay, she's on her way. I think it was just a collision, like straight up, like people went full speed into each other.
Well, he went full speed and then he was planted.
Ah, okay.
I didn't leave my shirt.
We'll see in a minute.
So taking out true tackling from you.
I'm not sure exactly, but I know in the case studies, like if they let go, you can't.
What if you start your initiation and they let go? How are you supposed to stop?
Like if you make
And that's clean and everything. You finish your.
Cody, you ready?
It's just. I get that. It's almost like the same argument if you watch football. And how like you're already coming to hit a guy and then he drops and you somehow have to stop your momentum from going. And the only way to play that level is go with that momentum.
Liz, if you don't mind, please announce the call. Sorry. I don't know what the call is yet. I will repeat it once I hear it. It looks like it was just an injury sub, but Ray is coming over now. What's up?
No, I'm gonna stand still.
The goal is going to be good. There are things about it.
Okay, I will
The
repeat.
goal is good. I want that. Okay.
The goal is good. I will repeat whatever Ray says for those of us at home. By us, I mean you guys, because I am very far from home indeed. But loving it. I love Portland. It's lovely. Looking forward to coming back here again next year.
Yeah, I think just like
Hey, what's the game time?
12:26.
12:26. Okay, I'm way.
Number 42.
I'm waiting for that to happen.
Yellow card for reckless sport.
Okay, 42 on the Vipers is getting a yellow card for reckless force. No worries, Maddie. I'm here. Here to help.
Can you tell me when it's 13:03? I need to see my clock.
The goal is good.
I heard it. I don't feel comfortable repeating it because I'm technically.
Albert.
Reckless sport. I heard sport.
I can't tell who 44 is from here. Sorry, Maddie.
13:03 is.
Oh, Albert's 42, it looks like, from his shorts. Yeah, so it wasn't Albert who got the card. Anyway, they didn't serve it because they were scored on, so. Got a nice moon out. I don't know if the resolution's good enough for you guys at home, but it's looking real pretty out here. 44 is Goldman. Then, yeah, it must have been Michael. It didn't seem malicious. I just think he was going full force. Alex Patel bats away a bludger. And we got another stoppage. Luke must have seen something. Hi, Austin. Welcome. The score is, for those of you just tuning in, so Austin, 100 Rain City, 40 Vipers. The game time is
13:02.
13:02. All right, we have a timeout for the Vipers. All right, 1 minute.
Hey, that's like something though. Like you hold the title.
That's something you can brag about.
And I have for years.
What's up? Timeout. 100 Rain City, 40 Vipers.
He like bought for our work and then did it over himself.
They have wrong. So these people, like baseball people, can't like cut hard. But they also have like really so they kind of protect the ball. They'll do different moves from the front and the back. So I guess what we're
Raptors!
Ten!
So he makes that up.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Resume.
Where are the shorts?
Guys, listen to this.
They were just. Oh yeah, give them those. Sorry guys, sorry.
Rushing correctly, then you talk.
Get on it! That's how we run it slow!
Go!
Oof. All right, that is a Rain City goal. The score is 110 Rain City, 40 Vipers. Time.
13:47.
13:47 is the time.
What's the time?
13:54.
Oh shit. 40 Vipers. Or not 40, you're right. 40 Vipers. Oh, nice, Sam!
I feel like Green City's playing a lot.
You didn't play them last year, or Vipers didn't play them at all last year. The year before you guys played.
I remember playing.
Yeah, so the Vipers are 3-1 all time over Rain City. But all the games are all the games are really close.
Did you guys last year?
Oh yeah, like we just sent it in, whatever. And then I think we're still gonna get it from the West.
I love their quality. It's just my favorite. I know you think it's heavy. I get it.
It's heavy, and the sweat gets trapped inside.
Oh, okay, that.
As someone that sweats a lot.
I guess I didn't sweat enough to notice. All right, we're going to discuss whether or not that was good. We've got mixed feelings here in the crowd. Listen, I'm not the ref. I'm just here to say what the refs say, and sometimes other things. Do you want... Here. I brought a blanket. Listen, planning is my thing. I went to Costco and I saw that. I'm like, that's going in my tournament bag. I am tired of freezing at tournaments.
The goal is good!
All right, the goal was good. So the score is 120 to 40. I appreciate your watching, Maddie. It would suck if I put in all the work to record this and stream this and then no one watched. So
15:29. 15:29.
What was all the hubbub about?
Yes. Specifically
We'll just put one of them. Oh, dude, I always do that. What if we had a mark? That would taste nasty and it would be
Kyle driveway strict. Steven Cuevas. The pass. That was real pretty. Did you guys flip it yet or no? Okay. So it is 130 to 40 now.
16 minutes. 17 minutes.
All right, I have Snitch Udo Quiros ready to go in. All right, Vipers score. The time is 16-16, so the Snitch is almost out, Maddie, and the score is 130 to 50. Time check.
16:37.
He's right here. I got him. All right, another Rain City goal makes it 140 to 50.
5 seconds.
5 seconds ago. Chris Davis bringing it up for the Vipers.
17. Since she's released.
You're released. Seekers, report!
Seekers!
Rain City, I need a seeker! Oh, you're fine.
Do we have the brooms here?
Oh my gosh, Jesus. It is starting to get a little chilly out here in the Pacific Northwest, but still the weather is glorious. The sky is clear. Could not have asked for a better day. And Alex Patel driving, ducks the dodge, and scores.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Released.
All right, the score is 140 to 60. Crystal Kaidai looks like she's going to go for the catch for the Vipers. The Vipers are looking for a concession catch, I think.
Orange ball, that's orange ball.
The score is 140.
25.
The score is 140 to 70. And yes, I am shocked and very pleased by the lack of rain. I have been rained out of so many tournaments in Northern California in October that the fact that the Pacific Northwest is not the goal. Yeah. The score is correct. The score is correct.
Okay, it's going up.
It is.
Defense! Call defense! Great job, Crystal!
All right, Rain City scores again. The score is 150 to 70. The snitch is Hugo Quiroz of the Breakers, who also coaches San Jose State. And this makes me very happy. He is the best replacement I could have ever hoped for. And we have a stoppage for reasons.
So I know we missed that last one, but the one before that they didn't turn it over on.
What do you have on paper?
I have 70.
I have been announcing the score every time there is a score.
Stoppage?
No, it was Patel's breakaway.
He's right. He's right. He's right.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry. That's my bad.
Thank you guys. All right.
Chris, I didn't realize that till I looked.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, way to be on it.
Oh.
Respectable.
We got our goal back. Yeah, we got our goal!
All right. It looks like. Oh no. All right. All right. Sorry for the breakup. The call was that the score table did indeed miss a goal, so Ray gave it back. I think I broke up for a minute. I'm sorry, my connection cut out. The proper score is 150-80. That was a very pretty dunk. Yes. 160-80. Rain City leads and is looking for that pull. over there in the back.
We can do this.
How do you feel right now?
Oh, no. I need help with my team.
All right, that is a Viper goal. It is 160 to 90.
Okay.
Let's go, Cut! Let's go, Cut!
Is someone else?
They'll ask again. Yes.
I just had a groundskeeper. There's open food over there. No one's eating it,
Okay.
but there's open food. And so even though no one's eating it, he wants it off the field.
Okay, can you take it off the field for me, please? Thank you. Are the Vipers looking to catch or blocking? I'm not sure. I think the Vipers are actually looking to come back now. At first they were trying to catch, but it looks like Alicia is blocking now. I can't tell. I know she's trying to get in there. Whether it's to catch. No, it's blocked. She is trying to block. Vipers are blocking if Alicia can get in. And we have a stoppage.
Dobbys and
You're the last thing. It's nutty.
They have two.
I'm just gonna steal my water bottle back, sorry.
Nice, Ugo. Knocking his broom out.
Drive middle.
That's for about a month.
First handicap.
Ugo, it's the first handicap. You have to stay within a yard and a half.
Good fight! Nice run! Beautiful!
Michael, to your left.
So close.
Do it again.
You got it, Drew!
One more time.
Head coach Drew Sartorius looking to end this game for his team so that they can end this day 2-1.
Well, 24-40. 28.
Right, like Wayne City lost the first game, right? Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. I just wanted to be sure.
Ready.
Ooh. All right, we have a stop. We'll see.
Easy catch if you're in. Just saying. Understandable.
Water for snitch.
Water.
No, I do think this game would be ended sooner. Because you'll like it. My name.
25:04. What's next handicap? 28 minutes.
The call, I did not hear Ray say anything. It was probably a turnover if I had to guess. Thank you.
Step on him, Michael.
Yeah, that's another thing about like making sure.
Please, handicap, you go. Kaylin, go to ball. Go to ball. Go, Ugo.
Nice, Beat. Nice beat from Sam Fishgrund. And we have a stoppage. Okay. All right. Stoppage. It looks like Ray thought one of the Vipers needed an injury sub, and that turned out possibly to not be the case. Seeking for the Vipers right now is Crystal Kaidoy. Perhaps they're chatting about something.
16, 27. Sorry, 18, 6.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah. I don't think it will. All right, Dobbys need to beat.
What time is it? Like real world time?
18:28.
No, what time in... Okay, I'm like, military time? That's more math than I care to do. All right.
There's only one time. It's Quidditch time.
Let's go, True! Kick it! All right, we have a Vipers goal. The score is now 100 to 160. Vipers chipping away at that lead.
I think a lot of the time it becomes one. What does that mean? Right, so like we have the ball next to the middle loop, somebody's behind the loop, and they have a person here.
All right, that looks like it's game. Let's make sure. Dobbys and Wyverns, be ready!
Just do it right now, but I think we find that one.
And that's game. Final score, 190 Rain City, 100 Vipers.